happened? Say, excuse me. You don't need to scream about it. Are you guys singing a song? I heard you. Can you sing it for me again? It's good. Can you sing it louder? That's a nice song. What do you have on your back? What is it for? No, don't act like that, please. Stop pushing it into him. That's not nice. Go on the other side. You don't have to go off the side where he is. Sorry, Wade. What were you saying to me? What was the backpack for? Go ahead. He's just whining. Where are you going? Going somewhere far? Is that why you needed a backpack? No, you don't need it anymore?
No.
Forget it, huh? Oh, there you go. Switch. That's a good transition. Except, don't freak out. You left it there, so that means you're done. Yay! Say bye-bye.
Bye.
Bye. Peace out, Wade.